Have you ever wanted to finger pick like this? Well, in just a few short minutes, I'm going to teach you how to play one of the easiest and most beautiful finger picking patterns around, even if you've never finger picked before. And on top of that, I'm going to show you how you can use it to play 3 popular songs. So the first thing that you got to know is that each finger has a home. So the thumb's home is on the bottom 3 strings. So it plays down on the 6th string, the 5th string, and the 4th string. Okay, so strings 6, 5, and 4. The index finger picks up on the 3rd string. The middle finger picks up on the 2nd string. And your ring finger picks up on the 1st string. If at any point whilst you're finger picking you want to place your pinky onto the body of the guitar to help anchor your wrist, then go ahead and do that. It's absolutely fine. Some people do it, some people don't. And in terms of a good place to actually place your hand to finger pick, I always think the back half of the sound hole is the sweet spot for the vast majority of your playing. So when you pick, try and pick the strings here as opposed to down here or all the way up here. Back half of the sound hole is great. Let's now put this into practice and let's learn this simple and beautiful finger picking pattern. So it goes thumb, index, middle, ring, and then back to your middle and then back to your index. So once more, it's thumb, index, middle, ring, and then middle, index. To start off with, let's try it out just on some open strings. So you're going to start with your thumb on the 6th string, then your index finger on the 3rd string, your middle finger on the 2nd string, your ring finger on the 1st string, then back to the 2nd string with your middle finger, and then to the 3rd string once more with your index finger. So slowly you have played. And that's the pattern. So you just want to loop that round and round until you get really comfortable with it. Take your time. Try to be as accurate as you possibly can be. Now let's make it sound like real music. We'll use 4 simple chords: G, C, A minor, and D. Now just apply the same pattern to each chord, changing the bass notes as you go. So slowly, that's like... and then up to speed. And boom, just like that, you are officially finger picking. Here are some great tips to get you sounding more like a pro. First off, don't play too hard. A light touch equals a beautiful tone. If you play too hard, you're just going to choke the strings out and they're not going to sound as good as they possibly can. And remember, you want to keep your playing nice and smooth, not choppy, so you don't want any string ringing out louder than any of the others for now. So nice and smooth. Let the notes ring into each other. That's going to sound great too. And also, once you get the pattern down, add some dynamic. So bring the dynamic up a little bit and then down a little bit. This really adds feel and some emotion to your playing. Now let's apply this to some really well-known songs. You can use this pattern for Alleluia. I heard there was a secret chord that David played, it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you? You can use it for Can't Help Falling in Love. For I can't help falling in love with you. And you can use it for House of the Rising Sun too. There is a house in New Orleans they call the Rising Sun. How cool is all of that? And you've learned it all in just 5 minutes. If you've made it this far, leave a comment below saying I did it, because you are officially a finger picker, which is fantastic. But really, this is just the very, very start. And if you want to go from being a beginner to an accomplished, confident fingerstyle player, then check out my course, The Complete Guide to Fingerstyle Guitar Beginner Level. This course starts right at the very beginning and carries you right the way through to an intermediate level. It leaves no stone left unturned and ensures that your technique is flawless. So check it out. I think you're going to absolutely love it. Links down in the description. You can try it out completely for free, but the first 100 people to sign up will get it at 15% off. So check it out. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks so much. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you again real soon for another great fingerstyle and fingerpicking guitar lesson. Thanks a lot. See you again.